Then ako kukuha dating citizenship.
Thank you ito so much. Maraming salamat po. Maligayang pista sa nayon sa ating Montreal. Maraming salamat to the Filipino Association of Montreal and Suburbs for the continued support for the Filipino Volleyball of Montreal. Maraming salamat po, Famas, and congratulations for the success. Sa mga gusto pong manood pa ng Volleyball Championship, it's still going on. Doon po sa other side, sa soccer field, men's and women's. And we have a special announcement this coming August 3 and 4. Meron pong magaganap po ang the most and the biggest all-Filipino volleyball tournament here in Montreal. This is all over Canada. So we have 28 teams coming from British Columbia, Calgary, Atlantic, Winnipeg, and Ontario. Maraming salamat po, and sana po supportahan nyo ang Montreal team. We have 8 teams competing, men's and women's. Sana po supportahan po natin August 3 and 4 sa 2100 Boulevard, Edward Montpetit sa UDEM. Sana po supportahan natin, at muli magandang hapon. Enjoy the remaining times of the day. Maraming salamat. Pista sa Nayon 2024. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Jojo, and you're actually making every Filipino in Montreal very proud. So, our little community with the Filipino Association of Montreal and Suburbs would wanna extend our help so that you guys can win that crown on your upcoming game.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, Famas. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. All right, thank you, Famas, for giving the support to Volleyball Association of Montreal. And this is for a very good cause. Yeah, a few minutes ago I said I have to terminate my position here in the stage, and I would like to say thank you to thank you to all for this kind of celebration. It is a fantastic indeed. The weather is so nice, very cooperating, even though that we are having a tremendous kind of heat wave, but initially this is it's good for us doing the camaraderie, actually, meeting people that we haven't been for a long time. This is the place that we could celebrate and enjoy the camaraderie, the togetherness among us Filipinos and non-Filipinos celebrating the Pista sa Nayon. So on behalf of Filipino Association of Montreal and Suburbs, maraming salamat po, mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Now, I would like to extend my thank you to the services of DJ Dennis, and if you like the music so far, yes, you could contact him, feel free. He will give you some information better than me. The booth of DJ is right there. Thank you, DJ Dennis. Thank you, DJ DC. Nicely done, well done. And also, as we go along, may we have a good summer. Stay safe, stay well, and have a fantastic summer. And also, I have a message from the farmers that we have to use again this park, Makaisaling Park, for next year and next years to come. Please remain our park here nice and clean as we go along, as we go forward. And also, the thing that I learned today is meeting you guys, which is a very good one. And also the speech from the dignitaries here today, and that is saving the planet, and we must fight the climate change. Thank you so much. My name, mga kababayan, Ed Vasquez po, Fiesta Filipino. Maraming salamat po, at mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless. And now, to continue the celebration, before I say Ed Vasquez out, we're going to have Rachel Lasser. Where's Rachel? Oh, right here beside me. And this is Zumba time, Rachel family. Ladies and gentlemen, open to one, open to all. Let's go Zumba! Yeah! And this This is live from Montreal. You're listening to WOW on the dial 5980 Victoria.
Yun ang halo-halo. Pila kaptin ha. Yun ay pila.
Halo-halo ka na?
Yos, hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog ngayong araw. At sana'y hindi kayo magsasawang manood at tangkilikin ang ating vlog. Salamat and God bless. Bye bye.